I like to think about training to fix your pectus as climbing a set of stairs. And at the bottom of the staircase is someone with a poor body composition. They have bad posture. Their pectus is prominent. They have low confidence, low energy. They don't like the way they look, they don't feel good about themselves, they don't exercise, or they do it inconsistently or not properly, and they have a bad body and their pectus is very noticeable. At the top of the staircase is someone confident with a great body, an incredible body, 10% body fat, lean, muscular, sculpted body that makes his pectus look less noticeable. Obviously we want to get to that. That is the end destination. That is what I describe as fixing pectus. To get there, we have to climb the steps. For most of you, this is not a short journey. The way I look at each step in my diagram is each step is a program, is a phase. And if you look at this staircase, there's 13 steps. So each phase lasts 4 weeks. 4 times 13 is 52 weeks. That's a year to get to that end destination. Now, depending on your starting point, it could take even longer, but within a year, you'll get very close to that. You should be able to build a body that you're now confident in. As you go up each set of stairs, your body will level up. You'll put on some muscle. Your posture will get better. Your confidence will get better. Your strength will get better. Your experience will get better. And so then each new staircase, in order for you to evolve to the next step, you must level up. And to continue to challenge you to continue to level up, the training must evolve. So in order to train properly for pectus, we don't just follow one program from the start, but instead we follow a progressive, ever-changing continuum of programs that levels up as you level up. Parameters like volume, complexity, intensity, frequency, all continue to evolve and scale up, always challenging you to build muscle optimally. Because here, if you're undertaking my training, I'm sure you want to build muscle as fast and effectively as possible. And this is how you do it. You take each step, and then each step will get a little bit higher, and you've got to evolve and level up to continue up the stairs. And so a lot of people who sign up to me, they're at the bottom, and I take them all the way to the top, and that is so fulfilling for me. Okay, it's not an easy journey, but it's a very doable journey. It's proven to work. You've just got to put in the work. So I just wanted to share this with you to articulate in a visual way the fixed pectus journey, the stairs to fixing your pectus that I went on, I traveled up them, and my clients have too. So I hope you're motivated to climb the stairs, go on your journey and overcome your pectus. If you are, links in the description to apply for my coaching if I still have some spots available. The first step would be to book a strategy call with me so I can meet you, determine where you are on your journey, and then assign you the appropriate program for you that will then progress you up to the end destination where you're confident with an amazing body and a hardly noticeable pectus. Thanks guys, peace.